In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a quiz in Microsoft Forms. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. As you type Microsoft Forms into the search bar, you will see various options appear. Look for the official Microsoft Forms link, typically found at the top of the search results. This step is crucial because it ensures you are accessing the legitimate site and not a third-party page. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to the Microsoft Forms homepage where you can begin managing your forms and quizzes. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you are already logged in, you may proceed directly to your forms. However, if prompted, enter your Microsoft account credentials. This could be your email and password associated with your account. Logging in is vital for accessing your previously created forms and quizzes, as this ensures your data remains secure. Once logged in, you should see your forms displayed on the screen. Now scroll down to the All My Forms section page. This area contains all the forms and quizzes you have created. Depending on how many forms you have, it may take a moment to find the specific one you are looking for. Scrolling through this section allows you to visually identify your quizzes, making it easier to locate the one you wish to delete. It is important to be aware of the titles, as this will help you avoid accidentally deleting the wrong quiz. After that, locate the specific poll or form tile you want to remove. Each quiz or form is represented by a tile that displays its title. Take your time to ensure you are selecting the correct tile. This step matters because deleting the wrong quiz means losing valuable data or responses. Once you find the right tile, you are ready to proceed to the next step. With that done, hover your mouse over the tile and click the More Options button, which is the three dots icon in the top right corner of the tile. This action reveals additional options for managing your selection. The More Options button is your gateway to performing various tasks, including editing or deleting your quiz. By hovering over the tile, you ensure you are interacting with the correct form, thus avoiding any mistakes. Now click Delete from the pop-up menu. A confirmation prompt may appear, asking if you are sure you want to delete the quiz. This is a critical moment because it provides a safety net to prevent accidental deletions. Confirming your choice will permanently remove the quiz from your account and it cannot be recovered later. Be sure you are ready to proceed with this action. Once that is done, you will see a confirmation appear on the screen indicating that your quiz has been successfully deleted. This feedback is essential as it reassures you that the action has been completed and your forms have been updated accordingly. You can now return to your All My Forms section to verify that the quiz is no longer listed. By following these steps, you have successfully deleted a quiz in Microsoft Forms. Remember, managing your quizzes effectively helps keep your workspace organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.